Hello, Dopaya Vahan Chalaks. I am Nitin, and this is a couple of rides. I think there is only one brand which keeps both men and women happy, and that is Triumph. And you all know which Triumph am I gonna talk about. One with the wheels. And now there is an extremely promising option by the name Tiger Sport 660. But before we go further, please like, share, subscribe the channel and bell icon dabana mat bhulna so that I can make these videos for you guys for optimum information. During the launch of Trident 660, there was a presentation showcased to the media personals. And in that presentation, there were three types of bikes, three types of entry level bikes that Triumph showcased. First was a Tiger 850, which is an ADV for starters. And then there was the naked 660 Trident, and a prototype model was also showcased with sketches, which was this model, the Sport 660. And now, an year later, we saw the prototype images and the leaked images of the real bike, and I was blown away. It looks beautiful. And because of this reason, I think, and I also reckon, that it's gonna do big sales numbers for Triumph in India as well as internationally. So here are 5 reasons why the 660 Sport is gonna do very well in Indian market. Number 1, India loves fairing. We are suckers for fairing bikes और फेयरिंग वाली बाइक्स. सी आई रिमेंबर जब करिश्मा आई थी लोग पागल हो गए थे बिकॉज हमने इससे पहले फेयरिंग वाली बाइक देखी नहीं थी. अड्रीनो, करिश्मा, इस तरह की बाइक्स आती थे एंड दे वर ऑल्सो वेरी स्पॉट टूरिंग इन नेचर एंड दे वर वेरी नाइस सेलर्स, which is why I think with the looks that this bike carries and the fairing and the overall fit and finish that Triumph's gonna bring to the table, it's gonna be a phenomenal thing to ride as well as buy. Number 2, the 660 triple motor. See, in the lineup that this bike is gonna be in, there is no triple motor, or there is not even a 4-pot motor. What you have is a Versys 650 and a V-Storm 650, which both are twin engines. One is a V-twin and the other one is a parallel twin. And they both are very tappable in nature, which is why I think this triple pot motor will give you a lot of character to ride and a lot of more power to play with. Third is the sport touring nature of this bike. I believe that whatever bike that you buy, maximum amount of running would be on the road. Even ADV, best of ADV bikes end up doing a lot of road journeys. Which is why I think sport touring is that right balance of adventure as well as touring matched into one. And this is why I think sport touring is the way forward for India as a market. Whereas internationally, sport touring is the market to go in for any manufacturer. Fourth is price. We learned that Triumph can do a better pricing with the Trident 660. And I reckon that this new bike, the Sport 660 Tiger, would also be very competitively priced. And this is the reason that I believe that it's going to go big in numbers, at least in the Indian subcontinent. Fifth, pillion comfort. Few years back, me and my wife took a test drive of the Street Triple 765R, considering that it's the softest of them all. And not much to my surprise, I knew it. It was a good handler, but it was not meant for sport touring. It was a beautiful bike to ride alone and not with a pillion. And I think this new 660 will be the bike to ride with pillion or with luggage beautifully across Indian continent. Finally, we come down to the point where we compare power figures and also check out what it's going to be competing against. So internationally, it essentially competes with 3 bikes: the Versys 650, the V-Storm 650 and the Tracer 7. But in India, there is no Tracer 7 thanks to Yamaha, and there is no Tracer 9 thanks to Yamaha because they're just not willing to launch it. Let me just not crib further and come back to the point. So if you see here, Triumph Tiger Sport 660 gives out 80 PS at 10,250 RPM with 64 Nm of torque at 6,250 RPM. That means that it's going to produce more power in its competition and it's going to give decently more torque against the competition, which translates to more fun and more carrying capacity. And adding to this would be the weight of this bike. I think the tradition that Triumph follows, making their bikes lighter, I think it's going to be far lighter than the Versys, and I think it's going to be far lighter than the V-Storm 650 as well, which will give it even more power to weight ratio, which again translates to that you can carry more luggage, you can carry further, and you can even ride further because you will have better fuel efficiency. To sum things up, I think the Tiger Sport 660 is internationally going to compete with the Tracer 7, which has been just updated. And this is why I think Triumph is also going to launch a higher capacity Tiger Sport, either a 1200 or a 765, to compete with the Tracer 9, which has been recently launched and it's achieved great success in the UK market at least. Well, अब ये सब तो future की बातें हैं. So we will see what happens in the future and what Triumph is prepping for launch or launches. आप लोग क्या सोच रहे हो? Like, share, subscribe और comment करना मत भूलना. And tell me what you like about this bike and what you want to have in this bike. Until then, on this anticipated note, this is A Couple of Rides signing off.